Right, well, it looks like the only potential flying day for a long while. It's not very nice up here, but a little bit gusty. But it's test day. My new Lidl Easy Rider trainer has. Right, well, first thing is going to be about a half throttle gentle throw, and I don't want to break the prop, so I'm going to come forward here. Let's see what happens. I'll give it a high throw. And straight from my hand, what a beautiful flyer. Whoa, and if I open the throttle, it's quick. I'm going to put it on high rate. Oh, if it is on high rate. And it's going to be a soarer. I feel fairly confident it's going to be a soarer. But let's see. A nice easy flying plane. Now that's 2/3 throttle with a 3S in it. Climbing quite a lot. It needs a bit more down thrust probably. Look at that. Whoa. Half throttle. Half throttle, it just cruises around. Wow, I've certainly got a winner there. Full throttle. Probably needs a bit more down thrust, but that is just a beauty. Half throttle, so easy to fly, and if I give it full beans, then it's got a bit of spirit to it. I'll try a roll. I don't think it's going to roll because it's got, no, it's not going to roll because it's got dihedral. But that is an absolute beauty. So easy to fly. I think I've got a winner there. Well, here she is, my Easy Rider Lidl RC conversion trainer. And I think a 5-year-old could fly this. Oh yes, so easy. So easy. Got into the rotor there behind those trees. This is so easy. Let's do a nice Right, well I think the battery's getting a bit low. I'm going to come round one more time. And drop her gently into the long grass. That was so easy. That is such a beautiful easy flyer. I am so pleased with that. I think it's brilliant. And I'd say if you're a beginner, you'll find this a really easy plane to fly. I don't think you can go far wrong with this as a first plane. And so cheap. Just get a little glider, £7.99 at the moment, or one of the cheap foamy equivalents online. Follow my video, you can build it and you can fly it. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I will catch you all again soon with your videos of you flying your little RC Easy Rider trainer. Bye for now.